What we have for you today, it's an installation of a 3-zone multi-split ductless application. And as you can see right behind me, these places are quite outdated, I would like to say. And we have previously worked in this park. And it's extremely important for me to mention that the way that these houses are being conditioned, it's quite odd, because the central system that is installed in this house was just having a centralized return in the middle portion of the house. But for everyone that understands thermophysics and thermodynamics, we all are gonna know that heat rises, and by consequence, not having a return on the third floor, it was having a huge problems in order for us to evacuate the heat out of the property. With this being said, going within ductless applications, we disregard the necessity of having a return into these places. And by consequence, I would like to show you what is it that is being re-engineered in order to condition the space indoors in this particular house. And there's plenty of innovations. We are within top notch on the technology that we are utilizing.
Inaba Denko America provides high quality installation accessories here in North America. Our products are designed with contractors in mind. We want them to have efficient tools that will improve their job quality and also reduce callback. In this job, for example, we can see a number of our products in use, such as the Slimduct line set covers, which is protecting the refrigerant lines, our pipe hanger that's in the attic holding the refrigerants horizontally, and a lot of the drain line accessories. With such high quality and ease of installation, every job looks its very best.